So this is the product from Shruta Technologies Private Limited. This is a smart calling switch, and this is a transmitter, this is a repeater, and this is a receiver with the display. So here I am going to show you how to configure this device. So first of all, we will press this for a long time, and then we will switch on the Wi-Fi. So as we do this, we see that the name is popping up SHRU because it is from Shruta Technologies. So we'll press this, and then comes the password. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 and 8. Then we connect it. So as you can see, it has been connected. Now we go to the specifications, and we see that in the gateway there this number pops up, that is 192.168.4.1. Now what we will do is we'll go to any browser. I'm using Google Chrome in this case, and I will type that number in the URL. So this window comes up, which is the configuration page of the source device, and till that point you need to keep the button pressed. You should not remove your hand. So now I will type the signals. So here you can type anything, like it's not receiving actually because it's a transmitter, so it's transmitting. So in this case I will just randomly type 2 alphabets, but in this case the channel is connected with the code AA. So we must remember that we are transmitting the code AA, and when we will be connecting with the repeater, we should get the receiver portion with AA. I will show you. So now I will submit in this case, and yes, so this page will pop up, and then you can remove it. Now we will go to the receiver's end. So this is the receiver. So initially what we need to do is, see at the top of it there are two spaces. One is the configuration button, and the other one is the power supply. So power supply injector. So initially we will just press the configuration button, and then we'll put the power supply in. So you'll see a LED light will glow up, and while keeping it pressed we will see whether the configuration is coming or not. So we need to check it for repeated number of times. So as you can see, since we kept this one pressed, and then we are connecting to it, so now the code for the repeater has shown in this. So now again we will check this. So it's the same configuration for the gateway part also, and then we will go for the URL. As you can see, the image pops up as the repeater. So as you know that we have typed AA for transmission part. Here for the receiving, that is RX for the receiving, we will press AA, and for transmit we'll press AB, because that's how this has been programmed, and we'll submit this. So as we press this, now this has been confirmed. Now here, so far as we have seen that we have configured the data from transmitter to repeater to receiver. So now I will press this, and we shall see which room number comes into play. So as I am pressing this, see the room number N348 comes into the display. So like this we can set up other room numbers if used in some hotels, or if it is used in restaurants we can use some table number, or as I have already said that it can be used in any given places. And this is the reset button. So if you press this, it will again reset, and again when we try to press it, see the room number is showing up. So this is how it works, and now I'll show you how you can where you store the room number. So here the memory card is inserted here. So this is the memory card. You put the room number in this. There is an Excel file .csv file. So you can place your room number or table number or whatever, and then you can insert this memory card here, and the room number in the display it will show up. This is how the configuration of all the three can be done. So thank you so much.